Kilo in the cut.
Back again with our second hands-on review. It's your boy Takura and Josh.
Yeah. So for this one, we're revealing the Travis Scott Jordan 1s High Cactus Jack, as some of you may know. So obviously we start off with the box.
Can I just say, like,
actually different.
Nah, can I just say, like, these shoes are a masterpiece. I'm sorry, but like,
bro.
See, honestly, like,
Trust me.
these shoes definitely contender for a sneaker of the year.
Yeah.
If not a sneaker of the year.
But you know what? Yeah, hold that thought in there. Let's open the box in there. Let's get them through it first in there. So yeah, you can see the box is actually a different color from a normal Jordan 1 or normal Nike box. So this one is more of like a brown in comparison to like the normal, which is like what's it, black.
Yeah, black.
So you guys can see a difference, like the color difference and stuff. But other than that, everything's still the same. It still shows the size and stuff. So we've got size 11, USA 11 and UK 10, Europe 45. And then yes, everything's the same. Then up into the shoe. Like what he was saying, this shoe is a masterpiece. Like you can see from just the packaging itself, from the box, it's different. You can see from here, it's the pink, it's got the Cactus Jack, it's got the Jordan logo, it's got the Nike. And getting to the real deal, the real shoes.
Yeah, man. Got the big boys, the Travis Scott.
This shoe is different. When I mean this shoe is different, I mean this is... Okay, honestly, yeah, I've been buying shoes since I was young, yeah. I've been buying shoes, you get me? And I would say this is the best shoe I've caught since I was born. And this is the best shoe I've ever seen in my life.
100, bro.
I'm not over exaggerating, this is it.
Yo, the material, like, the material used to make these shoes, like the suede, as you can see, like, in comparison to like the rookie of the year, like, as you can see, this is what we're talking about in the last video. Like the darker browns does it, like it just makes it look pink. Like you can see the difference. Like
that's what I was saying. I prefer the brown bit because it just makes the shoe more. I don't know. This makes it more special because of the black swoosh as well.
Yeah, the backwards swoosh. Yeah, 100% did it. Like made these shoes like what they are.
It's special. That is different.
And it's not even that. There's just a lot more detail to the shoes. Like you got the Cactus Jacks on the tongue of the shoes. Like inside, you got the pocket inside as well.
What fun is that? The pocket money design.
Yeah.
So you can like fill your money up.
Yeah, you can put coins in there. Like.
You know what I was thinking? Yeah, I was actually thinking of starting to save up my money by putting them in there.
Yeah, man, you can save it there because like.
I'm actually trying to stock up my money in there.
Yeah, put little like.
Wallet.
Yeah, man, put like change, like £5 notes inside. Yeah, man. They obviously you got the Cactus. You got the Cactus logo on the back of the shoes. Travis obviously got.
Cactus.
Love the logo, mate. The logo is brilliant.
This shoe is different. I actually like, because I'm a Travis fan as well. Like,
yeah, man. 100.
This shoe reflects Travis Scott. Like Travis Scott is different through his music, through the way he lives his life and stuff. And just the fact for him to be able to reverse the swoosh, like,
yeah,
that is special. Like for even Nike to let him do that, because that's their logo.
Yeah,
for him to be able to like put his creative ways to it, that is mine.
The reverse swoosh, like it's the shoe itself, like you said, like if you listen to, because I'm personally like a die-hard Travis Scott fan. Like if you listen to his music, like Travis is he's not the normal person, like as you can see from his lifestyle. Like he just has this like I really couldn't care less about attitude about his life and everything, and he just sort of like put that into the shoes. Because like the reverse swoosh is literally just says to Nike like, go do one.
Yeah.
It's me,
for
man.
real. For real. Like,
these are my shoes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do what I want.
Yeah. And the shoe comes with like what? 3 different.
4 laces.
No, 5. It comes with 5 different laces. It comes with the pink one. It comes with the white. It's like cream whitish. Then it comes with the red, the brown, and it actually comes with the black one.
I think the black one. Yeah.
Inside there.
Yeah, it comes with like black ones as well. It comes with black laces as well beside the shoes. So you can literally switch it up. Like today you can wear pink, tomorrow you can wear red.
It's crazy. So you got 5 different options on how you can wear this shoe.
I'd say though, like the combination of like the cream laces and the pink would be so paying.
It's so bad. It's so crazy. For me, I'll go for the pink one. Just for the fact that I understand that I want people to look at me differently. And obviously now going into summer, this is going to be my summer shoe. So shorts, pink laces, white top.
100%.
Whatever, yeah, that's my go-to shoe for summer. Because this shoe, yeah, it just does, it's basic, but it's also dope at the same time. Like, it's crazy.
Yeah, man.
I
And
like it.
it's got the glow in the dark.
Yeah, the Cactus Jack.
Yeah, man. You gotta be really careful with these shoes because how red they are. Like, there's so many. It's so easy to get fake ones.
Yeah.
Like, it's so easy. And like, obviously, when we take pictures of the shoes, like we put in the details and stuff to know like what the originals look like because these are originals and the details are just there. Like the Cactus Jack on the swoosh is meant to be glow in the dark as well.
Just gotta be careful.
And it's handwritten as well, which shows how like crazy these shoes are in general.
Yeah, you have to be careful because there's a lot of fakes that are going on around. And more time the fake, they actually look like the
Originals.
The originals, yeah. There's no actually like a difference to it. So you just have to be careful. If you're gonna buy it, I recommend to buy it through, let's say, StockX, because those are OGs. You're guaranteed to get a legit pair. But other websites like eBay, Facebook, I'll say just stay away from it because yeah, just gonna waste your time and stuff.
Yeah, man. And these are reselling for like how much? The resale price right now for these are like skyrocketing. Like they're selling for like as much as like £700, which is about $900 or something.
Yeah. Would you pay resale though for these?
Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you.
They're worth like 600, 800.
They're definitely worth the resale. That's what I'm gonna say. Because realistically, like he only released 100 pairs, 100,000 pairs worldwide. So if they're reselling these for like £700, then it's definitely worth the resale.
I don't know, bro. Pair of shoes, £700.
I mean, bro, they are Travis Scott.
7 back, like, yo.
They are Travis Scott shoes. I'd personally pay resale because obviously for me, that's one of the reasons that's one of the things that really piss me off about these shoes because I'm a die-hard Travis Scott fan. So like, I'd pay resale for these solely because I'm a Travis Scott fan.
Yeah, he really just like the shoe. Yeah.
Exactly, but like there's some people who just buy it because of just the name.
Yeah,
I don't like that. Like that really annoys me.
There's actually a lot of people that tried to get this shoe that are actually Travis Scott fan, actually Jordan 1 fans, but they couldn't get it.
Exactly.
And then there's people who are just buying the shoe just to resell.
In
my opinion, I think it's greedy.
Yeah, it's greedy, man. It's just mocking it, to be honest. But overall, I'd give these shoes like a solid 9.
9. I will give this a 10. Like I said from the beginning of this video, this is the best shoe I've ever put my hands on. This shoe just does it for me. Like my favorite shoe is a Jordan 1, so obviously this is a Jordan 1. I like it. My favorite artist is Travis Scott. That comes to it as well. And just the fact that it's suede, 5 different color laces, just the colors, just everything, the reverse swoosh, like this is the shoe of the year.
It just does it, man.
The shoe of the year. There's nothing I can compete this shoe with.
Yeah, but I would say like the Nike Sakai's are like.
You say them.
Those are different.
They're in the race with this.
They're in the race with it, and they're different as well. So like, I wouldn't really put these past them, but I'd say like they're definitely contenders and like best.
I see where you come from. But yeah, shoe of the year.
Yeah, man.
But for the reveal for the Sakai, that should be coming soon. Yeah, just stay tuned on our Instagram TV or YouTube.
Exactly.
And on socials as well. And in this video also we're just gonna drop a few pictures as well, a few outfits wearing the Travis Scotts and stuff like that. So stay out for that one.
And stay tuned.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys in a bit.